You're gonna have to bear with me because I have a cold. I sound so croaky, but it's okay because it means that when I'm singing in the shower I have like a really like sexy gravelly voice. So yeah, my last video that I did like this actually did really well, which I was surprised by because I did it as like a midweek one and I wasn't expecting it to pop off as much as it did. Don't let me say pop off ever again. So last time I did it, it was kind of like pieces I want to crochet for the end of the summer. This time it's like pieces I want to crochet for this summer. Woo woo woo. I'm kind of going through a simplistic phase. That sounds strange. I don't know if that's the right phrase for it, but I'm kind of going through a phase where I'm really liking simplistic silhouettes, simplistic colour schemes, kind of like classic shapes, lines, whatever. Emma Chamberlain-esque. I've seen a lot of these on Pinterest and they're like these little knitted vest top things that are really simple. They're literally just white or cream or black, really plain, and I feel like you could really layer them up or accessorize them. But these are always made in like really thin wool, and my tolerance for really thin wool is very, very small. I get really annoyed when I'm using thin yarn because it just takes forever and I have literally no attention span whatsoever. I really like these tops. I'm not quite sure how they're made, but I want to make one. Also, do you like my phone case? I've seen the TikTok for this company and I've seen them painting these shapes on surfboards. I've always wanted to do like lifeguarding for a summer, but I'm a small person and like I don't think I'd be any good at saving people. I just kind of want to sit on the beach all summer and like learn to surf. I can't tell if this jumper is half finished or not, but I like it like that. It looks really chunky and cozy, and I realise this isn't a summer thing at all, but let's be honest, in the UK it's going to be cold at some point in the summer too. But then having said that, the neck looks really long and I feel like I'd get claustrophobic around my neck. I've not been the same since I literally had my face plaster casted. That sounds way more dramatic than it actually was. It was for an art project and my mum had to like plaster cast my face so I could have a mould of my face. And it was the weirdest feeling ever, but it went down my neck and so I couldn't like properly breathe, and it was quite a strange experience. Yeah, I don't like jumpers on my neck. This skirt I think is so cool. I feel like they might sell them. It's just a bit different and I'm trying to push myself out my comfort zone because I'm very much a comfort person. Until recently, the phrase for the plot, you would do something for the plot of your life, it's been on TikTok. It's kind of caught on with my friends and I feel like it's actually gonna be the death of me. Where is my crochet? I've started this skirt already, but I think I've made it a bit too big. I haven't got a pattern. They sell them, so I will link whatever shop it is down below, but I really wanted to make it because I had the colours. I think I've made it too big. I'm a bit obsessed with stars at the moment. These intrigue me. These really intrigue me because these ones look quite simple to make and I really want to try it as like a beach cover-up thing or like a festival dress. This isn't really summery, but I actually just really like this and I feel like it'd be such a comfy, cozy thing to wear. I don't know how you do it, so if you know, let me know. If you have like any ideas on how to make any of these, let me know because I genuinely need all the help I can get. This pattern again is by Olivia Tully on YouTube, I think it's on YouTube. I love a lot of the things she does, but this skirt in particular, so I might make that. Do I have the colours? Hang on, whilst we're here I need to show you this because genuinely it was the best present I've ever received. What's in the bag, you ask? It's literally a bag of my favourite wool brand. There's so much of it. That's actually gonna cover most of my projects for the summer. These are by someone on Instagram called Heidi Knits and I love them. Almost tempted to buy one rather than make one. I genuinely love them so much. They keep popping up because I've kept clicking on them on Instagram and I just really want one. I love I think it's called the lemongrass top. I love that one, but I also love the pink and orange one. There's also this pattern that I found on Instagram that's really simple, but I really want to make it just because, again, like I said, I'm really loving like simple things. But then sitting down and knitting or crocheting like a really simple piece that's going to take me the best part of 6 years, I'm going to get so bored doing that, especially if it's in a thin wool. And then I have some patterns. Right, so these are ones I've bought. I went a bit over the top, but then like it's very rare that I see patterns that I actually like. There's this cardigan. It's really cute. It's really cute. Just haven't started making it yet because I can't pick. I'm really bad at picking colours for things, and so I usually go with the colour scheme, but I don't really want to do a grey jumper. I want to do a red or a green one maybe. Oh yeah, these are all knitting patterns, and yeah, I literally can't knit. So we're gonna have to learn how to do that as well to be able to make these. But there's also this one, which I really like in orange, and this one, which I also really like because it's a sleeves and top thing, so you can take the sleeves off and wear it as like a cami top as well. I've also for some reason got this pattern, which I cut out of a magazine, so if anyone wants me to make them a polar bear rug. I hope this video was okay for this week. There's lots of things I want to crochet, so I'm thinking maybe like a crochet with me video. My posture is terrible. To have good posture, you need to kind of look like you've got a pole stuck up your ass, and that's not my vibe. I hope you enjoyed this video as like a little bit of inspiration maybe. I was gonna wear an outfit, but then I like was looking back at my old video that I filmed like this, and I realised that I was wearing exactly the same outfit. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next week's video. This video is going to be a nightmare to edit because I've literally just been talking crap.